So good evening, guys. So let's discuss today the assessment question and answers. Okay. So we discussed about what is ITIL life cycle stages. One is strategy, design, transition, operation, and continuous service improvement. And also we discussed about what is their definitions. Correct. So now, what is different types of basic roles in ServiceNow? Admin. We all know that admin role can do for a full access, okay, and configuration settings, modifications, changes, all those things, correct? So what is ITIL? ITIL is for updating tickets, correct? And closing, creating, these all actions can be done through ITIL. So what is the approval user? Can anyone can guess me and answer me? What is the approver user?
It can approve change request.
Okay. Not only change request, service request also. Approver user can approve requested item for approval. So now again, somebody asked Mr. Gangadhar or Aarti, can you give me approver user? Okay, for me. Does it consume license? Yes. See, if you give approver underscore user role also, it is equivalent to ITIL role. Okay. I hope I'm clear, correct? So even catalog admin, we will discuss in future classes. What is a catalog admin? What is a catalog also we will discuss, okay? So knowledge admin also same thing. We will discuss that knowledge admin, okay? It can, so for you to make very small understanding, who can manage the catalog items and workflows, that guy can be catalog admin. So bigger organizations, they will have a separate role for each administrator or developer. Suppose I am taking care of overall administration, somebody will take care of only catalogs to develop, manage it. Okay. Some guy
Uh,
will manage knowledge admin.
and sorry to interrupt. There is a small doubt. Like workflow, usually
We are not went to
incident.
Anjaya. Anjaya, we are not
No, no.
went there. Uh,
Yeah. Incident module. We will not have workflows.
yeah, we will
My
not have
question.
workflows. Yeah, that is why we didn't discuss workflows. Incident module, there is no workflows. Okay.
Okay, I'm worried
I
because
will
in
I will come
education we
back.
have module for
Next
every
week,
module.
next to
Mm.
10 days, your workflows only. 10 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I thought incident also in service now we have workflows.
No, no. Okay.
Okay.
So what is a knowledge admin? Creates. So knowledge is again. So whenever you have something we discussed, correct? If you go to incident management, okay, suppose while closing incident, you would always tick here. Where is that? Knowledge here, correct? So that means for future tickets, this knowledge can be used. Whatever writing you are writing here, resolution notes, that will be used for future if there is any similar kind of incident. Suppose desktop slow, I have written a comments. I had removed cookies and removed temp files, correct? This I'm making a knowledge so that it will be stored in knowledge management that can be used for user to solve its own way, knowledge management. Okay. Anyway, we will discuss that one also 1 or 2 days in detail. Okay. So we all know what is security admin. Just now we discussed, correct? Security admin can help managing, updating, creating ACLs or crude operations, which Arti said. Okay. The right way is crude. What is ACL called? Crude. Again, crude is the answer is we all know that create, all those options are there, correct? So then we discussed about report admin. So what is report admin? The report admin can help building the report and sharing the reports as well as adding the reports into dashboard. Normal ITIL user cannot share the reports with anyone and everyone. Only he can create the reports his own. Okay. I hope I'm clear till here, right? Do you have any doubts on this one, guys? While we have started session, I would have not be able to answer these questions, or you would not be able to understand. Now, I hope you guys are able to recognize what is this all, correct? That is where I am happy. Okay. So let's go back to our question and answers. So what is the most tables used in ServiceNow? Again, I will not ask Anjaya, Jilani, please anyone else. Then I will give option to Anjaya, then I might go for answers to answer it. Arti, Sadik, Chandana.
Incidents,
Okay.
SLA definitions,
Problem.
Incidents, problem, task.
Okay. What is the task? What is incident? What is the task?
Table. The task table is a parent table.
Base table for all tasks.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now I will open for Anjaya and Jilani also. Anjaya.
Yeah, most of them they mentioned and change request, change underscore request, and for user table sys underscore user, sys underscore
Okay.
user underscore group.
See, if anyone asks in interview, if you would be able to answer 6 tables, 6 is, I will tell you what is 6. First, you should answer task in any interview. Okay. Then you would answer incident, change, problem. But change is not a direct table change. Okay. Change underscore request is a table name. Okay. He would ask definitely the next following question. If I am an interviewer, next following question will be, can you tell me what is a change table? Okay. Then you should tell change underscore request. Correct. So then the next following question, what is difference between task and incident? He might ask. Can anyone can answer on this?
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Task table is a parent table, and incident is a extended table from the task table.
Okay. Okay, that's a nice answer. Okay. So I have listed here the tables. If you see incident stores incident records, task stores task info like this all incident change problems, all those things. Again, CMDB underscore CA is the stores configuration items. Okay. Change request, change underscore request, problem is a direct table, sys user. Okay. Then sys user underscore group is the table. Suppose somebody asks me, Mr. Gangadhar, can you please help me to understand where is the groups, correct? If I know the table, what I will do is I'll put this one. I'll type what is difference between small list and capital list, guys? Here, if I type
Small.
small list, what will happen? If I type capital list, what will happen?
Can I answer?
Hold on, you can answer.
Yeah, no problem.
Guys, can you answer what is a small will do, what is capital will do? Dot capital list, dot small list.
Sir, capital list is open another browser.
Browser.
Something.
Under
Small
tab.
list means another tab. Yeah. Smallest means in the same browser.
Same tab.
Same
So
tab.
always, whenever you are working as an administrator, you should use capital so that you would not be disturbing what your current form is, correct? Suppose you want to check incident which is opened in the present form. So then you should open it different always, correct? Again, I said one more tip for you. Control should be always in your left hand. Control button you should keep always selected and click here so that it will open a new browser where you can work and close this browser, correct? This tab. Otherwise, if you are keep on opening the same, you would have multiple issues. Okay, this is the technique which you have to use it for ServiceNow. Okay. So if I know the table name directly, I can go and search here, put this one and dot list. I'll get all the groups here, correct? Now coming back again, why do we use groups? We had a discussion, correct, above. So now in case if I want to add members, where do you add members? Here, correct? You would come here, edit. If you click edit, you will have a left side members. You will be selecting them and dragging it to right and saving it. So the member is got added into this group. Okay. So normally what we will do in practice in our environment, we will not give role to user. We will give to role to whom? The group. So if I am providing power to group, if you are a part of that group, what will happen? You will also get that power, correct? I am giving access to your group so that if you are part of that group, you would be having that role. What is that? You understood or no, guys? Arti, Sadiq, Imran, Abdul. So always you have to give to the group role. Suppose this role, I wanted to give a ITL role, correct? Whoever is part of this group, they should be all ITIL. So I will give ITIL role for this group. So now whoever is part of this group, they will always get ITL role. If you see this user, he has automatically got all the roles. See, based on the ITL role, there are other roles which automatically comes. So let me explain here. ITIL role we are providing to service desk group. What will happen? All the members in service desk will get ITIL role. If I provide ITIL role, there are many inherited assigned to whoever member of service desk. Suppose, let's take a layman example. Okay. You are in one room, correct? I provided a ventilation to that room. Whoever is that room, everybody will get ventilation, correct? Whoever is in that room, if I am putting AC, everyone will get AC, correct? So take example, that room is a group, okay, which is that service desk. Service desk, if I am adding to service desk as a ITL role, whoever is part of service desk, all will get ITL role. In ITL role, there are many other roles inherited. What is that? See, if you see here, inherited true means this is all coming from where ITL role. 65 roles. If you see here, 65 roles are coming from ITL role. Let's take that ITL role. Where is that ITL role? Right. Okay. If you open this ITL role, see, ITL role is having 23 roles inside this, and there are 16 application roles and 69 module roles. It is linked one to other. I hope you are able to understand. If you want, I can explain once again. This is very important and you should know it. Okay, let me try to do one thing. Say one example. Maybe I'll prepare tomorrow. Just remember me. I will prepare some good presentation and show you. Okay. And this one, I need to explain this one very well manner. See, suppose very simple. I am giving a driving license to you, correct? If I give a driving license, so what you can do? You can drive two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler also, correct? The similar way, okay. If I give a ITL role to service desk, okay. If you are part of service desk, I am giving to service desk only group, but you are part of that group, so automatically you will get ITL role. One thing you need to understand. On top of it, once you provide ITL role, there are many other roles will come automatically, which is inherited into ITL role. Only till here you learn. Tomorrow I will explain how this is related. Okay. I'll prepare a very nice presentation and show you guys. Okay. Let's come back again. We are in here, tables, correct? So we are here, tables, multiple table. Now future will be, our future will be always here. SC underscore request underscore item, SC underscore request, SC underscore task. Okay. Then sys choice also. We discussed this one. I think I hope you remember, correct? Sys choice is used for, suppose if you have a drop down, correct? These all are choice fields, correct? Suppose new, in progress. If you click here, it will show right click. See, show choices. Where do it will store? It will store on the choice. Where is it? Under system definition, there is a sys choice. Now, if you type incident, these all are how many? These all are incident related choices. Okay, again, based on the element, you can group. Suppose you take affected users, 4 is there, impacted, 2 is there, BS impact, category 7 is there, closer codes 10 is there. Suppose you want to add one more closer category, closer code, what should you do? You have to come here. We discussed, correct? I will put resolution provided, correct? So where do it will get impact? Suppose you go here. As of now, these many is there, correct? Now I want to add resolution provided, one more. Insert and stay. So let's refresh whether we are getting or not this option. See, resolution provided, it is coming here. And you can also define sequence here, which one to show first. Suppose sequence is first this one, second this one, third this one, correct? Fourth this one. Like this, you can provide sequence also here. Suppose if you make inactive this one, suppose I'm making inactive. Now if I refresh it, it will not show. Again, in the choice list, okay, this is false. Let's see. See here, false and true. False means active in the choice list. In entire service now, false means it is inactive. But in the choice list, false means active. What is that? I hope you understood.
Yeah, and understood. One small query, like when we create a choice list field on the form level, form design, so it will also come and means
Sit here.
backend it will sit here only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So in the choice list, always false means it is active. True means it is inactive. So if you see here, true. True means it is inactive now. This one. Resolution provided. Correct. So this is a sys choice table. Okay, let's discuss quickly one by one. I think we are already running late. Okay. So we also discuss what is the different types of ticket creating channels. Correct? Can anyone give except Anjaya? Arti, Sadiq, Imran, Abdul. Are you able to hear me or no, guys? No answer coming.
Yes, we can hear you now.
What is the channels? What is the different channels? Guys, I'm giving a notes also. You're not reading. What is the different channels? Chat, walk-in, email, self-service, virtual agent, correct? These all are the channels. So where do this will also store? It will store in the choice only. See? Contact type. Where is that contact type? Here. Here, 8 contact types are there. So few of them they made true. Correct? So I listed here. Self-service, email, phone, chat, mobile, integration, walk-up desk. Correct? Okay. So what is custom table? Custom table starts with on which letter? Hmm?
Yes.
You understood, right?
Yeah. Custom table fields created user. This is a always starts with the u underscore. Okay. Here. Anyway, we have many more questions. Okay. I'll take these questions tomorrow. I will have to show something today. Okay. So let's get into that. We are going to stop here. Okay. This one, 26th is done. So 27th is also done. So we'll discuss 28th onwards tomorrow. Okay. I'll take another 15 minutes, I think, which is 8 o'clock means 9:30. I'll take another 15 minutes to show some important topic. I will stop sharing. I will also stop for recording it.